Alright, before I get to talking what I'm going to talk about, this is how I walk Cliff. He doesn't play. He doesn't. This is how he plays. Like, you chase him and then he runs and then, and then you chase him. Oh my goodness. What do you want? Alright. Anyways. I'll probably be doing more videos like I did with, you know, the YouTuber guy trying to get a sponsorship, because that's how all this stuff kind of like falls into place. And that's really not what I'm trying to do. Come here. Come on. So what happens is that someone like that tries to get a sponsorship, they try and get some deals because they have some clout, and then what happens? The parts they get, they don't work, they don't like them, they don't perform. And you can even go as high as parts like an engine or a transmission from a shady backwood type of stuff. And then they're out. They're asked out. Their car's done. And this is like automotive. Come on. I mean, granted, the same thing could happen anywhere else. Come on. Let's go over here. Come on. And it just kind of sucks. And then it could go both ways. It's either the person looking to go out and get a sponsor, or come on, let's go over here. Where are you going? Cliff! You gotta be smart. It's like buying anything else. You gotta look at the reviews. And what I hate is to see people spend a lot of their money and get screwed over. Because it can go both ways in this field, where you get a customer that wants a certain thing done that in all actuality it can't be done. Like I want my car to make this amount of power. A shop will do it if they're dumb to make a customer happy, and then now their engine blows up 2 months later. Makes the shop look bad, the whole nine, even though you can't that's why I'm starting my own shop, because you cannot cater to what exactly that customer wants. And you got to know, I mean, if someone's gonna be real shady like that and want something up front and all this other kind of stuff, you got to realize, like, if they got like a toxic kind of thing around them, they're gonna be bad for everybody. Now, there are deals and sponsorships that people work out and ends up working really well. They still break the product, but because they took the product so far and they literally beat the shit out of it. I'll be doing more videos on how, at least what I see, that how people either go through Instagram or through shops or through Facebook on how to get hookups and this, and then they get the runaround, and then the whole Cliff just peed on my Tahoe, and the whole spiel of things. So that whole, you know, how the YouTuber, or the not even YouTuber, Instagrammer, or whatever you want to say, how they try and get a sponsorship, you know, they got hooked up with a discount and they think it's like a sponsor. So this whole weird kind of thing. I have nothing to hide. Everything I do is on my own here. Not everything, because I don't make parts, you know, this kind of stuff, but it's here, it's natural, it's no clout-based type of stuff. You know, I do want it to grow, I do want it to go to and expand to that level of things, but this is down to earth, keeping it real, and this is how I'm going to keep it until, you know, forever. If you do have a bunch of that clout, you could use it to your advantage, which is cool. I'm trying to get there, but we'll go ahead and keep it down to earth for now. But I'll be doing more of those videos, and that's really it. I got to work on the Mustang, because I think I knocked something loose on the exhaust, and now it's showing lean on bank 2. And I'm still waiting for the Tahoe for the transmission, so I got that to worry about. Not to worry about, but I got that to do. So with that, I'll see you guys more in other videos, and I'll do more little funny skits like that, because people, you'll be surprised, people are really like that. And that's how you get screwed over, because if someone doesn't want to give you a sponsorship or a deal, they don't want to work with them. Imagine if people And this is how sometimes it really is. Imagine how if people win like that when they go to buy a house. Oh, you can't give me a good deal on that house, you know, this and that. I'm not with it. Then you only go with realtors or people that give you deals on houses, and you end up getting this pile of can't even keep it how I want. Can't even say how I want to say it because I'm being safe. But you get what I'm saying. People are just stupid. That's point blank. People are just stupid. So I'll see you guys later.